皆さん、こんにちは。ビキです。よろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, I'm Vicky. How are you doing? 皆さんは元気ですか？私は元気ですよ。さて、今日は何々見ながら何々見ますを一緒に勉強しましょう。So today, let's learn this sentence pattern on the screen. 何々見ながら何々見ます。いいですか？はい。まずは、3つの動詞グループを復習しましょうね。Let's review three Japanese verb groups ね。The first one, 5段動詞。ね。The second one is 1段動詞。Then the third one is 来る and through, just these two words. Yeah, so group 3 is easy. You just need to memorize these two words ね。来る、come, through, do. いいですか？はい。今日の例文。今日の文型ね。文型。この文型を使って、例をいろいろ見ましょう。So, let's use this sentence pattern to create a few sentences ね。はい。何々見ながら何々見ます。I do something while doing something ね。Okay, so nagara over here, it's like in English, like wow. Yeah, wow. いいですか？はい。ショートフレーズを見ましょうね。Let's look at a short phrase first. テレビを見る watch TV. 昼ご飯を食べる eat lunch. Yeah, so over here, this typical particle ね。particle を it indicate the direct object ね。いいですか？ So we have two verbs here. 見る。ね。見る watch. 食べる eat. いいですか？例を見ましょう。Let's look at the example. テレビを見ながら昼ご飯を食べます。いいですか？テレビを見ながら昼ご飯を食べます。もう一回ですね。一緒に読みましょう。ね。One more time. Let's read together. テレビを見ながら昼ご飯を食べます。いいですか？ So I eat lunch while watching TV. So over here, we are using group 2 verbs ね。So remember the suffix, it ends on iru or elu ね。So we just throw away lu, then plus nagara. So 見る yeah, throw away lu plus nagara. 見ながら。いいですか？見ながら。はい、次。本を読む。本を読む。read book。果物を食べる。果物を食べる。eat fruit。いいですか？はい、例を見ましょう。Let's look at the examples。ね、一緒に読みましょうね。Let's read together。果物を食べながら本を読みます。いいですか？果物を食べながら本を読みます。ね、もう一回一緒に読みましょう。One more time ね。So let's read together. 果物を食べながら本を読みます。いいですか？ So I read book while eating fruit. いいですか？ So over here we have 食べる eat ね。So it is also group 2 verb. Yeah. So we throw away る plus ながら食べる食べながら。いいですか？食べながら。はい、次。ポッドキャストを聞く。ポッドキャストを聞く。Listen to podcast。走る run。走る run。はい、例文を見ましょう。最近走りながらポッドキャストを聞いてます。最近。ね、ゆっくり読みましょうね。最近走りながらポッドキャストを聞いてます。もう一回読みましょうね。Let's read one more time. 最近走りながらポッドキャストを聞いています。I listen to podcasts while running recently. ですか？ So over here we have 走るね、走る run. Yeah, the group one ね、group one. So the suffix ends on the うだね。So we need to change this one to 네, change the root, change the root to the 이단 where it belongs to, which is 리, right? So 走る, 리, 走りながら. いいですか? So this is how we add on the ながら, yeah? For group 1ね。いいですか? 実際は私は最近朝ね、走りながら、日本語のポッドキャストを聞いてますよ。So actually, recently in the morning, after I drop my kids to school, I run home, yeah, while listening to Japanese podcast ね。はい。日本語のポッドキャスト。So this is one of the podcast I would like to recommend to all of you. It's really very good. It's Teppei Sensei. Teppei Sensei is a Japanese teacher who lives in Tokyo, and he has so many episodes for the beginner Japanese. 日本語コンテッペ. I just find it so useful and so very suitable for many people who wish to learn and who wish to practice their listening skills. This is one of the best podcasts for all the self-study people. So please listen to his podcast, yeah, if you want to improve your listening skill and speaking skill. So if you don't have time to sit down and study, and this will be definitely one of the best way to learn simple Japanese, useful Japanese by listening to his podcast ね。はい、皆さん一緒に頑張りましょうね。Let's study hard together. いいですか？はい。Thank you for watching. I hope this kind of video is useful to you. Yeah, if you like, please remember to subscribe and follow me on Facebook. I see you next time. またね. Have a great day. Bye bye.